is fine. 2 of those is fine. We would have liked another coin. Come on.
Fucking moron. God damn it. You fucking idiot.
The coin's at. Come on.
Fucking moron. God damn it. You fucking idiot.
The coin's at. Where the coin's at? Alright, 3x on the 10 should be good. That should be good. 720 in there.
Israelis working 2 years
God damn, dude.
I'd like you to know I'll personally give it to the president, myself, to make sure that he sees it. You've done yeoman's work here. And done a lot of the.
If you own or manage a small business, this message is for you. I'm Jerry from Berry Insurance Group. With sports and outdoor activities in full swing, your employees and possibly even your own family are more susceptible to everyday accidents and illness. These incidents affect.
Tell me one thing. Yes? Are you enjoying your life? I am. Then I'd keep doing this again and again. That's what I live for. Hearing things like that. She said, "Are you enjoying yours?" I am. Then why would I tell you to stop?
Went on for a while. That lecture went on for a while. Nobody's above the law, even if you have to invent crimes like the DA in New York, Alvin Bragg.
This is the Bob and Tom Show. Are your wiper blades streaking or smearing? You need new wiper blades, but not sure which ones are right for you? The professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts can help. They can recommend options for your vehicle and even install your new wiper blades for free. Right now, save $10 per pair on Bosch Focus wiper blades, so you can see better in any weather. Replace your worn-out wiper blades and save. Stop by your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store today, or shop online at O'ReillyAuto.com.
Hi everybody, it's Christy. We all know champion windows for their quality windows.
What do you expect out of those?
Due to a decline in the economy, CarShield is announcing a low-cost month-to-month vehicle protection plan that is now available to the public to save any driver.
You ignorant fucking bastard.
Future auto repairs. Call now to find out how you can pay almost nothing for covered auto repairs. Yes, you heard that correctly. Pay almost nothing for covered auto repairs. Another
Fucking
plan has
ass.
been established for all drivers to call for a free quick quote. Call 800-732-3179 now. Drivers who are covered will not have to pay for covered repairs again. This protection plan is available time.
Loving you, baby. Ain't not loving you, babe. But you don't even know my name. At least that took me called my name. You don't even know my name.
Mash it forward here, don't let him do it. Don't fucking let him do it. Fuck you. Jesus.
My high school tour that I had
Those
today.
are fucking organic. I don't want those. I like the ones that are coated in oil. With
This
salt.
is coated in oil. What do you mean?
No, it says organic on the package.
Organic. Organic potatoes.
Oh.
Organic potatoes.
I don't like organic
What the
potatoes.
fuck, bud? Yo, 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 yo!
Oh, fuck!
No, follow her right now. Go.
publishing at clinbeck.com that goes deeper into that. But I don't expect you to believe the Bible or believe what I believe. I believe it's a very strong case, good versus evil here, or right versus wrong, if that's the way you want to phrase it, and national interest if you look at what the world is headed toward. This is not just about Israel's right to exist. This is about whether we still know the difference between right and wrong, good and evil, life and death cults. It's about, do we have the courage to stand for the principles that God outlined? And that's not, you're going to inherit the land or any of that crap. The principles of, you can live, I believe you have a right because you, just like me, are a beloved child of God. That's what it is. And if we don't have the courage to make the case, and we're trying to convince people just to blindly follow because God says, God expects us to kick into reason. God expects us to think things through. And God expects us to disagree. If we can't do those things, if we won't do those things, then the question is not, will Israel survive? The question is, will we survive? I want to tell you why I'm saying all this here in just a second. First, give me 60 seconds to tell you about relief factor. Most people think inflammation is just something that happens, you twist an ankle, you cut your finger. But the truth is, inflammation in your body happens deep inside your body, quiet, constantly, working against you every single day. It's the source of most of our pain, and it is the source of most